Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix Notepad not opening on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, try to update your Windows operating system as Notepad is a system application. If there is any bug or issue, Windows Update might fix the issue. So to update your Windows operating system, simply right click on Start button, open Settings, then click on Windows Update and here click on Check for updates. If there is any update available, simply download it and install it on your system. After that, if you're still unable to open Notepad application on Windows operating system, then you can simply repair the application. For that, open Setting application, then click on Apps option. Here select Install Apps and here on the search bar, search for Notepad. Here we have the Notepad application from Microsoft Corporation. Simply click on this three-dot icon, then click on Advanced option and scroll down to Reset section. Here first of all click on Repair and wait for the process to complete. It will fix any corrupted file that is affecting the Notepad. After that, try to use the application. If you are still facing the issue, then you can simply reset Notepad application to the default setting. When you reset your application, it will delete all the app data. So to reset, simply click on Reset and here click on Reset. After that, simply restart your computer. For that, right click on Start button, then click on Shutdown or Sign Out, then click on Restart. After that, try to open Notepad application. And here you can see that Notepad has been fixed. So that's it. This is how you can fix Notepad not opening on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.